Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Now I was forced to make my own interior garnish molding for my 37 panel truck simply because the prices people want on eBay they're just insane. So unless I have to, I won't do that. So if you watch, I can show you how with some basic tools and a lot of patience, you can make your own. It came out pretty good. Now this video is a couple years old. I was just then thinking about maybe starting a YouTube channel. So I was holding my phone vertically instead of horizontally, so I'm stupid. What can you say? So check it out, see what you think. Okay, so I got the door trim going around the window, but I don't have this piece of trim for the driver's door. Now it holds the window channel in. This channel right here all sits in it. Now I have one for the passenger side, but this one's backwards. This one doesn't fit here. And it's got this channel in it. You can see that. This U-bit bent in it that the channel goes into. Now I have looked all around trying to find one on eBay for months. The best I could find is a whole set of them for over $100, and I think that's crazy. So, but I do have a couple of passenger side. Like I say, these are backwards. So I'm going to try to make one. We'll see how it goes. So here's the passenger side. So I put it on a piece of metal, copied it. So I'm gonna I figure I'll make this in at least 2 pieces. Copied that there. Made a template. I fit that. So I can flip this over, put it on there, like that. And put in the bead roller and try to tip that up. So I'm gonna have to cut this out. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is my homemade tipping wheel. Now I had a little motor on here, but it doesn't have enough power. So I put the hand crank back on. It's custom. And it's getting there. I ain't there yet. Let me stretch out this corner a little bit, maybe take some metal out of there. Let me work on it some more. So I've been working on this. I got as far as I could with the homemade tipping wheel. See, it started tearing right there, so I ground that out a little bit. And I keep stretching on it right here. If I keep doing this, keep tapping along there, it should shrink it out. Just like I saw a half-assed garage just make his window, there's a stoplight trim out of. So I just keep working on it, see what happens. It's getting better, getting closer. There's a little bit more work. Just gotta be patient. Might work. I think it's gonna work. Okay, we got that piece pretty good. We're gonna just a little bit more, get some of those high spots out. It's pretty flat. Now this piece gets a bead rolled all the way along this edge. Let me drop it on the ground and break it. All the way along this, all the way around here, it gets a bead rolled into it. So I'll mark that out, and that's my next step. Okay, so after a lot of work, I've got that piece made. I got a bead in it. Looks like it's going to be right. This has this return here on it. That supports the channel that the glass runs in. So I made a piece. And terrible camera look here. That copies that down like that. Now, this goes on here some which way, like that. Take some more tweaking. But then I think I'll have them, might be close. Closer. I think it'll look all right. Hopefully it'll work out. I get that tacked up. Get back at it. So let's check out the finished product here. Now this piece here I made. That's the piece I was working on. Came out pretty decent. Unless you look at it, you can't tell. I'm happy with it.